Hi all, today we see how to create some Snowflake cluster. See, this is the Snowflake URL where we need to sign up for Snowflake. Snowflake will give 30-day free trial. Anyone can sign up and no charge will be for the first 30 days. So come to this URL and give your details. You can give anything, consultant or data engineer, whatever it may be. Then continue. In the next window, it will ask for what type of Snowflake edition you want. Okay, so there are three major editions: standard, enterprise, business critical. So you can select any one of them. So each edition will have different features. Standard is a basic edition. You can choose standard or you can choose enterprise or business critical. Enterprise and business critical are for production systems. So you can choose any one of them, enterprise or business critical, or even you can choose standard. And you need to choose one of the cloud provider. You can choose AWS or Azure or GCP. You can choose any one of the cloud. And you have to choose the region, in which region you want that particular public cloud you want to select. So Asia Pacific, Singapore, or you can select whatever region you want. Any region, you can select any region irrespective of where you are. So I select US East, Northern Virginia, and select this checkbox and get started. So you can skip this. This also you can skip. This is also optional. Select your preferred language to work in SQL, Python, Java, Scala, or whatever it may be. So it's optional, you can skip it. You are now signed up. So an email to activate your account has been sent to this email. So an email will be sent to this whatever email you have given. So now you can close this actually. So if you check your email, you will get an email. So let me check. Yeah, so I got an email. Okay, so you need to click here to activate your email Snowflake account. And please note, there is this link available. Actually, this is the link you need to copy. Actually, this is the URL used to log in. So please make a note. This is the URL which is used to log in. So okay, click to activate. So welcome to Snowflake. It will ask username, so you can give username. And you can give any of your password. That's it. So you are into Snowflake. So if you see, this is the Snowflake. You see here 30 days left in trial. That means till 30 days you will not be charged anything. Okay. So worksheet means it's the place where you can run all your queries. See here SQL worksheet. Select current underscore date. See current date. Select current underscore user. Best online trainings. Select current underscore schema. Just to know what is the current schema that you are working. There is no schema set in. There is no default schema. Okay, so if you want, you need to set default schema. Okay, so of course I will tell you how to set default schema. You see here by default here two databases are there, Snowflake and Snowflake sample data. So with this we can actually play. We can take these sample tables and we can write queries or whatever we want, we can do it. So okay, let's say this is the account admin, means it is the, it actually these are all called roles actually. See here account admin, org admin, uh, security admin, sys admin, user admin, these are all called roles. Among that account admin is the actually the root user or the main admin, and after that the next level is the sysadmin, and user admin is for user management, and security admin is for security management. But of course account admin and sysadmin will have access on all the objects. So warehouse means it's the cluster. Okay, so cluster by default you get x small single node. It will give single node by default. So yeah, so here you see no database. Here you in this you can set actually any database if you want to work, and also schemas you can set here. For example, by default Snowflake sample data is there, right? So you can run create database sample db, create database sample db you can create. sample DB created. So for example, if you see left hand side, see sample DB got created, sample DB. So database need to be created first. Then once database created, automatically these schemas will come, information schema and public schema. Okay, so by default, public schema will come and information schema will come. Information schema is for metadata. All system tables will be there. Yeah, these are all different system tables. Means which contains the metadata about all the tables, views, stored procedures, cursors, and all. So public, public is public schema, like we have it in Redshift. So we can use public schema, or we can also create schema. Separate schema we can create. Okay, now since we have created sample DB, so you see here automatically database dot public is created. Now if you run select current underscore schema, it will give public, because right now we are in public schema. See public. So now whatever tables we create, they will be created in public. So now I will create one table. Okay, so I will show you one use case. I have this table. Okay, I have employee table with employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. Okay, so employee ID, employee name, manager ID. So employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the names are some Sam, Rishi, and Rasi, Gam, Tam, Lam, Jam, Cram, whatever it may be. Manager ID should be 5, 4, 5. So actually 5 is the manager for 5 employees and 4 is the manager for 3 employees. So my query is write a query to get the employee and his manager to whom maximum employees are reporting. What? Write a query to display the employee and his manager to whom maximum employees are reporting. See here the 5 employee ID 5. What is the 5? Tam is the one whom maximum employees are reporting, because for 5, how many? 1, 2, 3, 5 employees are reporting. For 4, means GAM, only 3 employees are reporting. So that means I want employee and manager of manager who is for whom maximum employees are reporting. So obviously employee ID 5, that is TAM only having 5 reportees. So I want output like this: all the employees reporting to TAM, because TAM only maximum employees are reporting. So how can we write that query? What is the query? Write a query to display the employee and manager name, employee name and manager name to whom maximum employees are reporting. Okay, so create table. Actually, I have DD already. Okay, no problem. I will write again. Create table emp id integer ename varchar 20 mgr id means manager id integer. That's it. Simple. Writing queries in Snowflake is very simple. Okay, you don't have to define anything like like Redshift. There is no distribution keys, no sort keys. Okay, you don't have to worry about primary keys. foreign keys, nothing. We just create table name, columns, that's it, nothing. So you can run it, just control enter, or you can click this button. So table empty created. You can check that in the left hand side. So refresh here, sample db, public tables, you will have emp table. Okay, so employee ID, employee name, manager ID. Okay, so now let me, here all my worksheets will be there. Now let me insert some data into the table. Okay, so insert into emp values. Let me insert the same data, whatever is there here. See how to insert multiple records. You can write like this. Very easy. You can insert all the records in one go. Okay. So in between, field to field in between, commas should be there. So you can add commas. And please note that character field should be included within the single column, single quote. So Rishi, single quote, Rasi, single quote, Gam, single quote, Tam, single quote. Okay. So I have I prepared my insert script to insert into this table all the values that are given. So let me run. Syntax error. Okay. So now you should know why this syntax error is coming. You need to have colon between each field. Okay, so now let's run. Yeah, see here, number of rows inserted 8. Okay, so let's select the data. Select star from EMP. Run this. Yeah, so you got your data. So this is the data we have. Okay, employee ID, employee name, manager ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Sam, Rishi, Rasi, Gam, Tam, Lam, Jam, Cram, and manager 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5. So total for employee 5, employee ID 5, there are 5 reportees. Okay, so I want employee name and manager name. Okay, to whom maximum employees are reporting. That means I want this particular output. I want this output. How to write a query? Think once. Okay, so now, yeah, so to display that output, you can write a query and send me in the comment box. Okay, to minimize this video length, I am closing this here. You can prepare a query to get me this output. Okay, I want all the employees and his manager name to whom maximum employees are reporting. You can try a query and comment in the comment box. Okay, so yeah, if you want, if you want Snowflake training or Snowflake job support, you can reach me here. I mean, you can reach me +91. My number is just a second. 7075909913. If you need training on Snowflake or job support on Snowflake, you can reach me on this number. Thank you.